Organizational behavior is the subset of management activities that is concerned with understanding, predicting, and evaluating the performance of the employee or behavior of the employees in the organization. So, warm morning to one and all. I'm Sachi, BBM third year batch 2, going to present the one of the most important or the finest theory of the organizational behavior, which is the psychoanalytic theory. So let's proceed with the query that the what is psychoanalytic theory and who is the founder of the psychoanalytic theory. So let's proceed. So first question is that what is psychoanalytic theory? So if we talk about psychoanalytic theory, then this theory is concerned with the personality and says that human behavior to a great extent is directed by a complex set of deep-seated motives. Also work of the motto of the psychologist. Here the needs and the urges are operate on the personality of the human behavior. This theory was proposed by the Sigmund Freud, who was an Australian neurologist and the father of the school psychoanalytic. According to him, there are three most important elements which helps in deciding the personality of any human being. So first is id, second one is ego, and last one is superego. So now I am going to discuss all the three elements one by one in detail. If we talk about ego, then ego is one of the most or the fundamental characteristic of the psychoanalytic theory. Each work on the pleasure principle. It is generally unrealistic in nature, and the person who possesses the id are inborn and demanding in the nature. So this is the characteristic of the id, and second one is ego. If we talk about ego, then ego work on the reality principle, and it helps in finding out the path between the id and the superego. And last one is superego. If we talk about the superego, then it work on the moral principle, like it find out the path between the what is ethical or non-ethical in nature. Like the person when going to choose anything, they think that the what we are going to do that they is fair or ethical in nature or not, like they follow the path of the societal and the norms. So this is the three most element, or we can say that the component of the psychoanalytic theory. Now I want to conclude the topic. By concluding the topic, we can say that it is one of the theory which help in deciding or which help in shaping the personality of any human being, and it also find out the base that which person possesses the id qualities, which person possesses the ego qualities, and which person possesses the superego qualities. Now I want to present example by concluding the point that suppose if a person possesses a piece of the chocolate or any piece of the cake, so the person who possesses the id quality, they want to eat all the chocolate by themselves, but the person who possesses the ego quality, they want to share with someone, but the person who possesses the super ego quality, they want to share with the all the person who are sitting or who are available at that time. So this is the example of the psychoanalytic theory and a conclusion of the psychoanalytic theory from my side, and thank you friends for making patience.